A sinusoidal function has a maximum value of 85 and a minimum value of negative 115. What is the amplitude and the midline of the function? So basically, I'm just going to pretend that this is all wavy and stuff, and it peaks out here at 85 and bottoms out here at 100, whatever it was, negative 115. Okay? And we have to remember that the amplitude is half of the total height. So how do I find out half of the total height? Well, you take 1/2 of its maximum, which is 85, minus its minimum, which is negative 115. So double negative makes it a positive. So that's going to be half of 85 plus 115 is 2 hundo, as the kids say. And half of 2 hundo is 1 hundo. And that's what the kids say. The kids walk around saying hundo all the time. It drives me insane. Now, the midline is basically a line that cuts your sinusoidal function completely in half. It goes through the inflection points, blah, 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 blah. How do you find the midline, you ask? Well, very similar. It's going to be 1/2 of your maximum plus your minimum. So 85 plus negative 115. So 85 plus negative 115 is negative 30. Half of negative 30 is negative 15. Amplitude's 100. Midline is y equals negative 115. So that gives us a